This is just a quick short video to show everybody who was interested with my new audio setup how you can edit the audio as two separate channels. As you can see on my screen at the moment, the bottom one is my audio, the top one is from my Scala, so I can play about until I get the balances right if I want, which I'll show you now before I finish editing this what can be done. So playing at the moment, you can hear my Scala, the music. So if I pause and go down on this, and bring that up, you'll hear now that my Scala is going to be a lot louder. And I'll take it up another notch just to give you an idea. I did have this on about 3/4 volume when I left the store, so hear now how loud that is. So now I'll pause it and bring this down again to a more mute level. I'm not talking at the moment, but when I will, you should be able to hear me as I put my Scala down. But I'll come down here now on my audio. This is what I should be doing now until I get the balance right between the music and my voice, if I ever wanted to do it. But this would be more for playing about when I'm on comms.
10 mile of bloody hour, he went all the way round there.
But as you can hear now, you can hear me relatively clearly, but if need be I can bring my Scala right down. So now it's only background music. So this is just a quick short explanation of how you can split the audio in post, so you can still hear me, but you can still have the music in the background if I wanted it, which most times when I'm vlogging I won't be. This was just a test and an explanation of what's happening. So I'll leave this for now, and I'll get back to getting this edited how I want it.